In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make your Wix website completely private. So what you want to do first, you want to make sure you're logged in on your Wix website. So here I'm in the editor. You can just type in wix.com then, once you're logged in. And then this will bring you over to your Wix dashboard of your sites. So if you're not in this dashboard yet, you want to go to the top here and select the site you want to make private. So for me, in this case, it's this one. And as you can see, this is the same dashboard. Then you want to go to settings right here, then go to website settings, and now the first option is site is published, and here we can unpublish the website and then hit unpublish, and this makes it private. So here it says unpublish your website. You can always publish it again, blah blah blah. Just hit unpublish, and now it's private and no one can see. We basically unpublished it from Wix. So there we go. Now it's not online anymore and it's just for you. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.